Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trish at Creativemind Creations, and today I'm going to be showing you a little embellishment that I made from an item that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm in the challenge and C's challenge. I think it's a challenge giveaway. I can't remember. I'll put the description, put their information below, like in my other videos. But anyway, we had to make something out of anything from Dollar Tree. Everything doesn't have to be from Dollar Tree. It just something has to be about Dollar Tree. You can use anything else. But today, I'm going to be showing you this little ornament or embellishment, or you don't know what you call it. But it's really tiny because I used a plastic silver spoon. And I did Christmas because I was working on the Christmas embellishment box, Christmas and July embellishment box, so I'm thinking this might go in there. Anyway, so this is the little ornament I made. See if you can see that up close. No, let's let it down. And these are the spoons that I made it from. There's 24 in a pack, and I got these from Dollar Tree. They're really small. To you. So I'm going to make more, but for life of me, I just made that one. Then I couldn't come up with anything else because for whatever reason I just couldn't. But it's a little spoon. It's like a little spoon you feed a baby with. So they're really little. So that's what I use for the challenge for this week. We had to post every Wednesday, and how I did it is I used my heat gun to heat up the stem part, and then I cut it off, and then I bent it while it was still pliable. I bent it down so it could be like a little hook on the back, and I used a metal snowman metal charm to put in there. I made a little bow and I put on there. I put some hanging element on here, what I used out of for bacon twine. I got some little holly leaf spangles that I put on there. Some people call it table scatter, but I call them spangles. But anyway, I had put 3 of those on there with a little yellow acrylic gem in the middle. And the bow, I made that from red ribbon. And I used some, there's no writing on the package, so I can't show you to it, but it's like iridescent snow. I used it a couple years ago last year when I made some ornaments, some clear plastic ornaments. I'll put that in there. But that is what I made for this challenge. I'm gonna make some more. Like I said, I just decided to do this. Go ahead when I was working on the embellishment box. So yeah, that is my challenge for this week for C. Alfred and her challenge on Coffee Cake and Crafting group on Facebook. And I'm just scatterbrained today because it's so hot, and I had to put up my grandkids. But anyway, I'll put all her information down below in the description box. But that is my challenge entry for this week. So I hope you like it, guys. Y'all have a very happy crafty day, and crafty day, not crappy, but crafty day. And thanks for watching. Bye.